Hello and welcome back to Ajay's Romani Guru. I'm Ria, and in today's video, we are diving deep into the latest government announcements that are set to shape India's commodity markets, particularly for rice and coarse grains. We'll break down the new procurement targets and what they could mean for farmers, consumers, and the overall market. The centre has just announced its rice procurement target for the upcoming Kharif marketing season, and the numbers are in focus. The government aims to procure 46.35 million tons of rice this season. Now, this is a significant figure, but it's actually a bit lower than the 47.4 million tons that central agencies procured in the last Kharif season. The decision was finalized in a high-level meeting with food secretaries from various states and officials from the Food Corporation of India, or FCI. Procurement operations are scheduled to start in October. So, what's driving this decision? The meeting took into account a number of critical factors, including weather forecasts and initial production estimates. And there's another major point to consider. The government is also facing a challenge with its existing rice stock. Currently, the central pool has more rice than required for its welfare schemes, which need about 41 million tons annually. The total procurement for the 2024-25 season was already over 54.5 million tons, exceeding the target. This is where the weather element becomes crucial. Recent heavy rainfall and floods have affected several paddy-producing regions across the country. The India Meteorological Department, or IMD, has also predicted above normal rainfall in key rice-growing states like Chhattisgarh, Punjab, and Haryana. This raises concerns about potential damage to the paddy crop, and sources suggest that the procurement estimate could be revised later once the Ministry of Agriculture releases its official production estimates. But the story doesn't end with rice. In a push for crop diversification and nutritional security, the government has also set a target to procure 1.92 million tons of coarse grains during the upcoming Kharif season. This move is part of a consistent effort to encourage states to promote millets and other coarse cereals, which are gaining importance for their health benefits. So, to summarize, the government is walking a tightrope. It needs to manage its massive existing stock while also ensuring fair procurement for the new season, all against a backdrop of uncertain weather conditions. We will be closely monitoring how these procurement targets and the actual crop yields unfold in the coming months. That's all for today's analysis. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Ajay's Romani Guru, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our updates. Until next time, stay informed and trade smart.